How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Right now we're in my electronics lab. Basically, this desk is dedicated towards soldering and doing electronic-y thingies. There's another bench over there, but I'm not going to show that on this video. What this video is about is me trying to fix this thermal laminator. Now, where do I get all these different things that needs to be fixed? For some reason, in my family, I have a lot of siblings, and everybody knows I can fix stuff. So somehow, whenever something breaks, they kind of make their way towards me. Even some of my relatives would be like, oh yeah, you know, so-and-so is broken. Somehow it gets to me, and then, you know, I just queue them up. I leave them around in a certain area, and then when I have some time, I go, okay, you know, I'll spend a little bit time looking at it to see if I can fix it. I don't know, maybe 80% of the time I can fix a thing. Sometimes it's really difficult, and I make it a challenge to fix it myself somehow with some, you know, some crazy way that I'm able to fix it. Anyway, today I'm gonna try to fix this laminator. Apparently there's something stuck inside the laminator from whatever the story I was told. So I'm gonna take it apart and we're gonna examine this thing. There is one piece of laminate thing, a full page one that's included. And over here, Scotch brand. Nothing else in here. Before taking it apart, you wanna just plug it in and, you know, observe for yourself that it's not broken. Sometimes I get ahead of myself and I take things apart, like even before trying it, and then it turns out that it's something else, not what the person described it is. I just gotta, you know, do something external and I'm able to fix it. So it's important to double check for yourself that whatever they say is broken is actually broken. So I'm gonna plug this in, turn it on. Oh, sounds like something's in there. Okay, once you turn it on, I can feel the motor is always on. It's like rolling something. Let's look at the back over here. Okay, apparently it should come out. I'm gonna shove this piece of paper in there. Yep, I see something stuck in there. But you know what? I'm gonna try to pull it out without opening this thing just yet. Maybe I can do that. So, I'm going to turn it off first. It's getting hot. I can smell something that's somewhat burning. Oh yeah. Look it. See? Hopefully. So that's all there is to it. Something got stuck. So I'll just throw this away. I think there shouldn't be anything else stuck now. Turn this on again. Hopefully there's not another piece of thing that's stuck in there. It says over here, place item inside pouch, insert seal pouch end of into laminator, seal item in laminator and enjoy. You gotta stick it on this side apparently. Okay, it's going through. Alright. This thing is warm, so it does seem like I can laminate something with that extra laminate piece right over here. I don't have anything I want to laminate just yet, so I'm not going to use this right now. So like I said, I thought I needed to open it, but wow, you know, I just need to yank it out, you know, whatever was stuck inside, yank it out, and it's fine. That's what I meant by, you know, you don't always have to, you know, just go for all the screws, you know. Whenever you fix something, it's always like, oh, okay, that happened. Let me open up all the screws, take it all apart, and, you know, sometimes, just like this time, you don't necessarily have to take apart the whole thing with screws and stuff. This thing is fixed in my eyes, and that's all there is to it. I don't actually have to return this item because usually when it's given to me, it's lost all hope. They don't really, you know, they think of it as a piece of trash, and for me, it might be a piece of trash because I had instances where I had to throw it away. But sometimes, you know, if I really don't want the thing, you know, I'll just be like, oh, I'm just gonna give it back or something. And other times, you know, something like this, I could just sell it on eBay, get, you know, I don't know, this is like $20-$30 or something, and you know, make a little bit of side cash from fixing stuff. So thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, you can get more by subscribing to my channel and clicking that bell icon. Thanks for watching.